ShiftGuard Fleet is an autonomous incident response system for industrial operations, demonstrated safely through a synthetic factory digital twin. I inject only bounded physical operating conditions. The runtime receives no diagnosis, preferred action, or expected outcome. After the scenario begins, no further user interaction is required. Telemetry starts drifting across coolant pressure, outlet temperature, and motor vibration. Deterministic monitoring identifies the correlated deviation and opens an incident automatically without a chat prompt or manual diagnosis. The incident coordinator delegates the investigation to a specialist. Before determining the cause, the investigator retrieves comparable, independently verified incidents from Google Memory Bank and compares that history with the current telemetry and supporting evidence. Gemini evaluates the eligible recovery options and selects the least disruptive reversible intervention. Deterministic policy then validates the operating envelope, agent identity, risk, incident version, and authorization before permitting execution. The first action reduces production throughput and genuinely changes the digital twin. However, independent verification rejects the result because the measured telemetry remains outside the recovery envelope. That failure becomes new evidence, and the planner is invoked again. The second plan shifts 18% of the load to line A. This time, coolant pressure, temperature, and vibration respond. Deterministic verification confirms the measured recovery and resolves the incident. These three panels demonstrate ShiftGuard's central trust boundary. Gemini recommends one bounded option. Deterministic policy authorizes or blocks it. Only the govern tool can mutate the digital twin. The model can never approve its own recommendation or declare recovery by itself. Every specialist decision and tool execution is auditable. The system preserves the failed intervention, records the independently verified result, creates a maintenance work order, and promotes new learning to Google Memory Bank only after recovery has been proven. ShiftGuard continues running independently of the browser. The public Cloud Run application connects to a private operations service and a Google ADK agent fleet. The managed architecture uses agent runtime, agent registry, agent identity, agent gateway, model armor, memory bank, and managed observability. Finally, this is the live Google Cloud project. These logs show the managed specialist invocations and execution traces produced by the incident you just watched. ShiftGuard is agentic where judgment is useful, deterministic where safety matters, and designed to remember only what has been verified.